Your phone battery keeps draining, even when you barely use it. You charge it to 100%, put it in your pocket, and a few hours later, it's already low. And the problem isn't always bad apps or an old battery. In this video, I'll show you hidden phone settings that silently drain your battery and how to fix them without installing anything. Let's start with the first one, background syncing. Your email, cloud storage, social media apps, and even system services constantly sync data in the background. This happens even when you're not opening the apps. Most users never check how often this syncing runs. Go to your sync settings and review each app. Limit the sync frequency, or turn it off completely, for apps that don't need real-time updates. Next is background app refresh. Some apps refresh content even when your screen is off. They update feeds, load data, and run small tasks non-stop. This wastes battery and slowly reduces performance. Disabling background refresh for non-essential apps can noticeably improve battery life within days. Third, visual and animation effects. Smooth animations, motion transitions, live wallpapers, and fancy effects look great, but they consume power constantly. Reducing motion effects, disabling unnecessary animations, and using a static wallpaper helps your battery last longer. Fourth, connectivity features. Bluetooth, location services, Wi-Fi scanning, and nearby device detection often stay active in the background, even when you're not using them. Turning these off when not needed reduces unnecessary battery drain immediately. After adjusting these settings, restart your phone. Many users notice longer battery life, less heat, and smoother performance without deleting apps or installing battery saver tools. Your phone already has everything you need. You just have to control it properly. For more smartphone tips that actually work, check out other videos on this. Thanks for watching. If this video was useful for you, make sure to subscribe so you never miss our upcoming content.